G80 new generation bone conduction Bluetooth headset, no in-ear needed, bring you more passion in sports. While listening to the songs, you can also hear outside voices, making your trip safer. The avant-garde binaural wearing design transmits audio by slight vibration on the temporal bone troughs bone condition technology with skin-friendly silica gel. The ear does not age even if worn for a long time. Humanized design, plastic silicone material can be twisted at will. The collision between technology and art only for providing you a better choice. G18 endurance sports with you.